Welcome to an in-depth look at dermal fillers, a revolutionary non-surgical approach to facial rejuvenation that has transformed aesthetic medicine. In today's segment, we'll demystify these popular cosmetic injectables predominantly formulated with a remarkable substance called hyaluronic acid, or HA. Dermal fillers are essentially injectable gels, carefully and expertly administered to help individuals restore a more youthful appearance by addressing common signs of aging. They offer a fantastic alternative for those seeking significant improvements without the need for invasive surgery, providing a path to revitalize skin and enhanced facial contours. This innovative treatment helps many achieve their aesthetic goals with minimal downtime, making it a highly sought-after option in the world of modern beauty and anti-aging solutions. Join us as we explore how these gels work to refresh and refine your look. At the heart of most modern dermal fillers lies hyaluronic acid, a substance that is naturally abundant in our skin. HA is a powerful humectant, meaning it has an extraordinary capacity to attract and hold water, up to 1,000 times its own weight. When HA gels are strategically injected into the skin, they act like a sponge, drawing moisture from the body to create natural-looking volume and hydration. This process not only fills in lines and wrinkles, but also improves skin elasticity and texture, contributing to a supple and smooth complexion. The beauty of HA fillers is their seamless integration with the body's tissues, resulting in a soft, natural look and feel that moves harmoniously with your facial expressions, avoiding any stiff or artificial appearance. Understanding this natural mechanism helps appreciate why HA fillers are so effective and widely trusted. One of the most remarkable benefits of dermal fillers is their ability to effectively combat the visible signs of aging by addressing two primary concerns: lost facial volume and the appearance of wrinkles. As we age, our natural collagen and elastin production diminishes, leading to volume loss in areas like the cheeks and temples, which can make the face appear hollow or gaunt. Fillers meticulously replenish this lost volume, restoring youthful contours and a lifted appearance. Simultaneously, they excel at smoothing out static wrinkles and folds that develop over time, such as the prominent nasolabial folds, often referred to as smile lines, which run from the sides of the nose to the corners of the mouth. They also effectively soften marionette lines, those lines extending downwards from the corners of the mouth, creating a more refreshed and rejuvenated facial canvas. This dual action makes them incredibly versatile. Beyond addressing the signs of aging, dermal fillers are also masters of aesthetic enhancement, capable of refining and defining key facial features. Lip augmentation is a widely popular application where HA fillers are precisely injected to create fuller, more voluminous lips, enhance their natural shape, and improve symmetry. This isn't just about size, it's about achieving a beautiful, balanced pout that complements your unique facial structure. Furthermore, fillers play a crucial role in facial contouring. They can be used to add definition to the cheekbones, creating a more sculpted and elegant appearance. The jawline can also be augmented for a sharper, more defined profile, contributing to an overall more youthful and harmonious look. Even delicate areas like under-eye hollows, known as tear troughs, can be gently filled to reduce shadows and create a brighter, more rested expression, eliminating that tired appearance. The versatility is truly impressive. When considering dermal filler treatments, it is paramount to prioritize safety and efficacy, which is why utilizing FDA-approved products is non-negotiable. Two of the most recognized and trusted brands in the aesthetic world are Juvéderm and Restylane, both offering a comprehensive range of hyaluronic acid fillers designed for specific concerns and areas of the face. Juvéderm provides solutions like Voluma, ideal for deep volume restoration in the cheeks and mid-face. Voliere, perfect for softening moderate to severe facial wrinkles and folds, such as nasolabial folds. And Volbella, which is specifically formulated for delicate lip augmentation and the correction of perioral lines. Similarly, Restylane offers products such as Kiss, designed for natural-looking lip enhancement with flexible movement. Lift, excellent for lifting and adding volume to the cheeks and hands. Refine, for dynamic lines that require flexibility. And Define, for deeper lines needing more support. These diverse options ensure that treatments can be highly customized to achieve optimal, natural-looking results for each individual's unique anatomy and aesthetic goals. Embarking on a dermal filler journey begins with a thorough and personalized consultation with a board-certified dermatologist or plastic surgeon. During this crucial initial step, your medical professional will meticulously assess your facial anatomy, discuss your aesthetic goals in detail, and recommend the most suitable filler product and treatment plan tailored specifically for you. The procedure itself is relatively swift and minimally invasive. After the consultation, the treatment area is meticulously cleaned and a topical numbing cream may be applied to ensure maximum comfort. The chosen HA gel is then precisely injected using very fine needles or cannulas into the targeted areas. Most treatments are completed within 15 to 60 minutes depending on the number of areas being addressed. Post-treatment, you can typically resume most daily activities almost immediately, experiencing only minimal downtime, which often includes slight swelling or bruising that resolves quickly. Following your injector's aftercare instructions is crucial for optimal results. The longevity of dermal filler results is a common and important question, and it largely depends on several factors, providing patients with a sustained yet temporary enhancement. Typically, the beautiful effects of hyaluronic acid fillers can last anywhere from 6 to 18 months. This duration is influenced by the specific type of HA product used. Some formulations are designed to be more robust and last longer in areas with more movement, as well as the injection site. For example, fillers in high-movement areas like the lips may dissipate slightly faster than those placed in more static areas like the cheeks. Individual metabolism also plays a significant role. Some individuals naturally break down HA more quickly than others. To maintain your desired aesthetic, follow-up treatments are generally recommended. These maintenance sessions are crucial for preserving the rejuvenated appearance and can often involve smaller amounts of filler strategically applied to keep your results looking fresh and consistent over time, ensuring you continue to enjoy the benefits of treatment. The success and safety of your dermal filler treatment hinge critically on the expertise of the professional performing the injections. It is absolutely imperative to choose a board-certified dermatologist or plastic surgeon. These medical specialists possess an unparalleled understanding of facial anatomy, including the intricate network of blood vessels and nerves, which is essential for safe and precise injections. Their extensive training ensures they can accurately assess your needs, create a personalized treatment plan, and execute the procedure with the highest level of skill, minimizing risks and maximizing aesthetic outcomes. Entrusting your face to an unqualified or inexperienced injector can lead to serious complications, ranging from unsatisfying aesthetic results like asymmetry or unnatural lumps to more severe health risks such as infections, vascular occlusion, or even tissue necrosis. Prioritize your safety and the quality of your results by always seeking out reputable and highly qualified professionals who adhere to the strictest medical standards and have a proven track record of excellent patient care. Always confirm their credentials. In conclusion, dermal fillers, particularly those formulated with hyaluronic acid, offer a sophisticated and effective non-surgical pathway to facial rejuvenation and enhancement. From restoring lost volume and smoothing away persistent wrinkles to meticulously plumping lips and defining elegant facial contours, these versatile injectables provide a customized solution for a wide range of aesthetic aspirations. The journey toward a more refreshed and confident you begins with informed decisions and, most importantly, choosing a qualified, board-certified professional who can guide you through the process with expertise and care. The minimal downtime and natural-looking results make HA fillers an exceptionally appealing option for anyone seeking to revitalize their appearance without the commitment of surgery. We encourage you to explore this transformative treatment further. Consult a reputable aesthetic clinic in your area, whether you reside in a bustling metropolis like New York City or the vibrant landscapes of Los Angeles, to discuss a personalized treatment plan that aligns perfectly with your individual beauty goals. Embrace the opportunity to rediscover your natural radiance and confidence.